80s versus 90s.
Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby, and today we're traveling back in time. So strap in, cause it's time to boot up this bot battle! Our first Goldie Squad maker is Paula. Her favorite candy is Starburst, and she loves it so much that she made an edible Starburst slime. She loves dancing, her favorite is jazz, and today she made a robot inspired by her favorite decade, the 80s. Our opposing Goldie Squad maker is Trace Thor. She loves the color yellow because it makes things pop, and she loves crafting, which made it even more fun when she DIY'd her own angel costume that included wings and a gold halo. She's bringing the 90s back with her robot. Now it's time to meet these throwback robots. Introducing the dazzling Disco Diva! So I was wondering, isn't disco in the 70s?
Well, yes, but disco never ends.
Disco never dies. Let's check in with our Goldie Squad judges. Guys, does this bot give you disco fever?
Disco fever indeed, Ruby. I think you've made some excellent fashion choices, and I love the ponytail. What inspired you to bring back the 80s?
Well, I love to dance. I like the sprinkler, of course. I also like the snake and this one.
Was that like the OG Running Man?
Oh yeah. So the 80s just gives me those vibes.
Crushing it.
Well, Paula, I love this robot. The bright colors reminds me of my favorite band from the 80s, LMFAO.
Huh?
What's your favorite part of it?
My favorite part of it has to be all the rhinestones and bedazzles and stuff like that.
Really makes it pop.
Yeah.
The name might be Disco Diva, but that is rock and roll. What inspired all of the lights in your fantastic bot?
Well, normally when I go skating at a skating rink, there's a time where they turn off all the lights and they put on like disco lights. And it's fun to like dance around. They have music while the lights are just like shining.
I love it. It's like Cyndi Lauper reincarnated as a roller skate. It's
Girls
brilliant.
Just wanna have fun.
Oh, you know her. That's good.
Of course I do.
Well, that's all I've got.
Also, I see you have a net.
Yeah, it's a weapon to use to catch the opponent.
Well, I wish you and your robot the best of luck. Now it's time to meet our next robot, that 90s chick. Goldie Squad judges, what do you guys think? Is this tubular girl bot's totally styling?
So much style, it's dabomb.com. The 90s chick is not only rocking lipstick, she's got great hair, she's got snap bracelets, and she's made by someone whose favorite color is yellow. And same. Could you tell me a little bit about the snap bracelets and how they're supporting the structure? Are they supporting it?
Well, yes. In the back, there's 3 slap bracelets that are holding her up, so she always has support by her side. And these 2 are the borders, so no one can get close to her. And these are just her extras, just in case anything happens.
Dig it. Good luck today.
Thank you.
You know, I got to admit, I don't really remember the 90s. That entire decade was... But I do have Netflix, and from what I've seen, your robot is a very accurate portrayal of that era.
Thank you.
That 90s chick sounds like it could be a Jennifer Aniston rom-com, right? What inspired the name?
Well, she wanted to make sure that everyone knew who she was, so she didn't want a name that anyone could just have.
That's brilliant.
Well, Tracer, this is just a fantastic robot. The black rectangles next to her glasses, could you explain what those are for?
Well, it is where the mask comes in. Once it goes on, you do not want to deal with her.
Oh my gosh. This bot is ready for battle.
Time is ticking, guys. Let's get this battle started. 3, 2, 1, go! Looks like already the 90s chick is going, and actually working to the Disco Diva's defense is her net, which it seems that the 90s chick is actually caught in. But weirdly enough, the Disco Dazzling Diva is going towards the side pit, but since the 90s chick is stuck in the net, it's actually kind of holding her back. What will happen? Will the 90s chick eventually be able to push her in?
Oh my gosh, if the 80s chick goes in, the 90s chick's going with her.
It's just like real life.
It looks like the 90s chick is backing up. She's pushing her in. It looks like our winner is the 90s chick. But from the look of this storyline, but it looks like neither decade is making a comeback anytime soon. Eventually, our winner for today is the 90s with And everybody wins here because the Goldie Squad has 2 new timeless members. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe and comment down below if you could live in one decade, what would it be? See you guys next time. Bye!